Live here in Virginia and I've traveled 400 miles to come here.
Why? What is it about Modi that attracts you?
He is channelizing the energy of people of India to do something positive, to do something good.
But do you really believe one man can change India?
He can channelize people.
One man can change India?
One man can't. All people of India can. He's channelizing those energies. That's my point.
It's not one man, we all are with him. Yeah.
No, it's good that all of you are.
1.25 billion people are with him.
What would you then like to do? Oh, 1 minute. One by one. 1 minute.
Okay. I would want him to inspire me. I've been in US for over 14 years. So just like how he's come to US with the Make in India plan for the entrepreneurs, for the NRIs here, I would want him to inspire me to come back to India.
You'd like to come back to India?
Absolutely. Yeah.
1 minute. There are also
Of India, which he is representing here. It is not about the vote bank or the Modi. It is the Prime Minister chair which he is representing, which is most important.
But tell me one thing. There are a number of people who opposed Narendra Modi during the election. There are 31% voted. What would you like to tell those who are still critics of Modi today, who believe that Mr. Modi must answer certain questions that he has still not answered?
Well, before election, we may be a divided India, but after election, it should be one Prime Minister, one India, which is showing the vision.
One India. Okay, tell me how much I have heard.
I didn't vote for him, but I want to see what he says today, and I just want to...
You vote for him, but you want to hear what he says.
Yes.
As the Prime Minister of India.
Yeah, that's all.
How many of you have paid for your tickets? I want honest.
Nobody.
All free?
मैं वापिस इंडिया जाऊंगा मोदी को वोट करने के लिए from here. I will go back to India and I will
live in India. Will you live again?
Yes, definitely. I will go.
Ready to go back to India?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, obviously.
You're ready to go back to India? I come back to it. Do you believe one man can change a country?
If one woman could loot the country, one man can change the country too.
Okay. Let me ask you, madam. You have come from Chicago. Huh? What? Did you pay for your ticket?
No.
Because there's a huge. Some people have.
Not at all.
Get a ticket.
It's online free.
Online free, so all tickets are free.
All tickets are free, and I think that Modi is leaving.
There was some organizations, they were being given tickets, like as I am from the OP BJP, so there was a given to OP BJP for some quota, so you have to volunteer services, that's why you get...
1 minute. You're coming from Dallas. Tell me one thing. Where are you from in India?
From Andhra.
You're from Andhra. Madam, why are you, will you go back to India? She's going back. But you lived in Dallas. I live in India. Will you go back to India if Modi tells today the Indian American community that it's time to go back to India?
Absolutely.